Hey guys, good morning. Today is 1st January. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. Currently still at Cameron Highland. Oh my god. So we've arrived at Ladang Tebo. Soalnya sejuk nak mampus. Lepas tu aku pakai kain ni, tahu tak? I'm literally wearing kain. I'm not wearing pants. And I don't even bring my jacket. Left in Shah Alam. Sejuk! I can't believe myself that I'm wearing skirt in such cold places like this. Nampak tak tu? Nampak tu? Kena naik atas tu. It's too cold. My hands like freezing. Weh, nak mendaki atas. Not funny. Mana? Lambat lah diorang jalan. Let's go. Diorang lambat hati. Yeah. We're here. Woohoo. So cantik. Diorang kat belakang. Slow diorang. Tada. Dah sampai. Masalahnya kan, my parents tak naik lagi. They're all like kat bawah. I naik dulu sebab gayat. But like I'm alone in the rain right now. So it does feel like I'm here in Cameron alone, but I don't care. Sikit saya ke depan.
Oh.
Ini coklat.
Oh. Ni.
Ni satu. Jadi ayah kan? Both 3-in-1 caramel.
Oh. Malau.
Nanti kejap aku tak nampak. I don't want order. This one is chocolate puff, strawberry cheesecake, strawberry cake, sardine puff. Both 3-in-1 caramel.
Wah, makin lebat pula hujannya.
Caramel. Ibu. Raslah caramel. Sikit.
Apa? Tak boleh makan sini ada. Datang tempat sini macam salji. Kena makan sini lah yang
chocolate bun. Chocolate is not. Makan lagi. Batu dah nak beli. Dah habis kan? I like this one. Apa dia buat? Nak jadi. Pada Lina ni.
Kami di Ladang Cameron Highland.
Suruh abang makan.
Kami di restoran Bote. How are you? Good morning everybody. Assalamualaikum.
Mami pula.
Oh, so. Malu.
Rasa pai ayam.
Kami kat sini. Makan.
So we're done eating. Habis cuma tak boleh makan. It's raining. I'm not wearing my muffler anymore.
Mari.
Ta-da!
Family.
Everyone is like taking pictures here. The plantation thingy. You know. Yeah.
Okay, muka.
We're taking some.
Macam kenal lah.
Mana?
Itu dah shopping dia tadi.
Aduh, tepi lah buntut ni. Bo green tea latte. Bo. black tea, white tea, white. Boh, another boh. 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 Oh ni iced tea peach ni orang kata sedap.
Yes, this is my favorite.
Diorang kata sedap. Orang kata sedap. Iced tea peach. But I don't know.
Berapa ringgit?
11. I'm taking this too. So I got like boh, this one, the daun teh, and also iced tea peach. So I got buncang teh ketih, the 20 packs. 2 dengan it's the iced tea peach for my friend. Alah, kejap lah. Okay, fine. Fine. Let's go. Wow, apa tu? The machine was designed to imitate the action of hand rolling the leaves to draw out the taste and was first used in the 90s. Wow. Besar gila. So big. Oh, dah. Muka macam Jenny ya? Memang tu Jenny lah. We're done with our shopping and we're heading back. Turun. But like, I don't know if we're going to climb down or naik bus. I think we're just going to climb down. Mana dia lain? Ada dekat belakang. Let's go to our next. Tak tahu lah nak gimana pula lepas ni. But just let's go. Tengok dia buat apa ni. Ya Allah, menyampainya aku. Bye. Tak nak. Bye. We're currently at Kia ke Kia. This is Kia Market, but we're heading to Kia Farm. Ha Tuhan. Dekat depan tu. Dia ada tulis parking free. Jom jalan. It's still cold. Sebab dia macam gerimis. My hand's still cold. I want to buy flowers. Masa dekat pasar seni KL ada bunga.
15, 3, 20, 3, 20.
Berapa hari boleh tahan?
Ini baru semua lah bang.
Berapa hari boleh tahan?
Ini ya. Kalau strawberry mana-mana pun cuma tahan 2 hari saja bang.
Saya nak bunga ni. Nak bunga. I want that. Yay, I got my baby breath.
Nanti nak beli ya ni.
Jalan dulu lah. Itu ke?
Oh, hari ni kita nak pergi big red strawberry jugalah. Ya ke? Tak nak? Tak nak sudah, jom kita.
Adik tak nak.
Tak nak juga?
Tak menarik.
Tak apa, kakak nak satu, jom.
Kan?
Mana dia dapat kondok tu?
Tak tahu. Mei, janganlah makan. Mak silap. Janganlah makan semua orang. Ayo, kita dekat. Sekarang kita dekat Sheep Sanctuary. Let's go. Kambing. It's so cool. The line is so panjang. Lama pula kalau ikut. Tengok tu. It's Shawnee. We're in the line right now. We're almost there. Sikit lagi. Look. Literally. Tak nampak apa-apa.
Wow, sejuk gila.
We're almost here. Nampak tu? Kambing. It's sheep. Tengok my dad. He literally sits there under the Christmas tree. This Christmas. Okay, tak. Not allowed plastic bag inside. Please show receipt. Diorang dah masuk dulu.
Satu.
Nak.
Ini apa kan?
No.
Alright. Let's go. Oh. Terima kasih. Oh my god, that's the baby. It's the baby. Oh my god.
Lembut ni.
Bulu dia tak ada. Ada lah. Yang kena bokeh. Banyak.
Itu kecil. Dia tak suka lah, dia tak suka. Selfie sikit. Comel. Yelah, Beb panggil. Ya Allah, dia langgar aku.
Nak menyusu.
Nah. Yang ni baik. Bulu dia kasar. Tak mau makan plastik lah. Habis ada. Habis.
Tak boleh makan.
There are so many people. I think the sheep doesn't like it. The sheep is not, giving it. But sekejap, kita interview sikit Seko. Hai, Allah, terkejut aku. Hai. Buat apa tu?
Plastik je. Tak tahu tak air masuk plastik.
Dia tak nak cakap. So, we left already the sheep sanctuary farm. And sekarang kita dekat Big Red Strawberry Farm. Yeah. Finally, here we are at the strawberry place. Let's go. Sempat pula dia berborak.
Dia nak suruh orang melabur.
Like my whole body sakit mampus sebab dekat Tibo plantation tadi sejuk sangat. So my back hurts a lot and my hands tadi tak boleh nak bengkok macam ni ke kebas, and then like I can feel all the veins are like macam popped up, science thingy. Lambat sangat, so I'm going to turun first. And one more thing, my baju is too nipis, so I'm like literally beku the whole time, and my dress are like super flowy too. We have arrived. Big Red Strawberry Farm. Let's go. Ooh. Oh. Sampai dekat tempat salad. Nampak menuai salad sendiri. Oh, wow. Look at the lettuce. Look at all of them. They're so fresh, I guess. Yeah, they're fresh. Guys, I heard something. It's birds. By the way, I'm in a garden. I'm like the princess of the garden. I'm joking. Wow. Look at the birds. They're very so cute. Ini burung apa? I'm not sure. Oh my god, ada rabbit. Ada rabbit. Can we touch it? Hi. Hello. Excuse me. Sir. Hello, sir. Hello. Why won't respond to me? Hello. Hey, hello. Hey. Oh, look at them. Look at the rabbit. They are, I don't know, lazy. I don't know. Itik ke? Angsa. I think it's itik. Whoa. Terkejut aku. Hello. Hi. Oh, it's swimming. Kurang. Saudara saya. Pak. 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 Okay, tengok I communicate dengan dia. Pak. 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 Oi. Dia kata tak suka. Guys, I think I'm lost. I was literally alone daddy. Now I don't know where's my sister. Oh, kat situ. Circle. Ta-da. So, nak bayar kat mana? Oh, bawah tu lah.
Kau RM5.
8. Sabar. Letak dulu situ. Okay, this is our final destination. So nak pergi makan. Our hotel is literally dekat belakang. Kita orang dekat dia punya fun fair. And we're going to eat dinner. I suppose it is a dinner. Tengok tu ada strawberry. Nak beli strawberry. By strawberry I mean the plush. Let's go. Oh, ada apa tu? Kenapa dah dia menangis? Oh. Ada apa dah dek situ dia tadi? Yelah, malah ini saja. Kasiannya. Kejap tu ayah adik. Dinner time. Dinner. Tengok dia, ya Allah. Dia makan dulu. Tengok cop dia sedap. Sedap. Sedap kan? Hello, sedap kan? Sedap lah. I don't know if you can hear me or not because I'm not wearing the mic, but I got myself a glove. Yang this one boleh touch. Walaupun besok dah balik sebenarnya, tapi tak apalah, beli je lah. Aku sejuk. I don't know, this is like the third time I beli cactus kat Cameron. Legit, this is like the third time. Dibelikan untuk orang lain pula. Aku tak tahulah, aku dah muntah cactus. Meh. Jom. I dapat strawberry. Botak kat tu. Senang banyak gila beli keychain, beli magnet, beli glove, beli patung strawberry. Rasa macam nak patah balik lah akak tu beli dompet pula. Kita orang dah habis shopping. I pun dah dapat glove. Akhirnya. Patut beli daripada semalam. Ada kereta api. Mana betul? Okay, let's go. Let's go back home. Yelah. Rasanya malam ni tak ada dah kot nak pergi mana. Kalau ada pun, I think diorang nak pergi pasar je. Saya tak ikut kot sebab macam tak apa lah. Dah makan dah. I pun tak ada nak beli apa lah rasanya. I tak tahu lah. Memang sejuk gila sebab sekarang kita pergi musim hujan tau. Lepas tu, kabus gila tengok literally kabus je everywhere. Pagi tadi pun sama, sekarang pun sama. Cik ni. Tapi ni bukan saya punya. Ni dia punya.
Tak, yang kalau beli yang kecil tu
So warm. Tengok sikit. Nak okey. Nak ambil balik.
Kalau benda tu pun jadi isu. Betul lah. Boleh lah nak beli. Dia kata
Kakak kenapa dah macam ada ada ikut kat depan. Tail?
Ya.
Kita kat apa nama tempat tadi? Sungai Ruil.
Ya,
Dekat dengan dekat apa nama tempat ni?
Golden Hills.
Golden Hills.
Night market.
Yeah.
Sungai Ruil.
That's all. Tu je lah.
Apa bodoh? Ni.
Bye. Kau kakak macam tu?
Kau punya apa?
Kacang merah.
Ya. Subscribe guys. Subscribe.
Hey guys. Okay, so basically this is the end of day 2 in Cameron Highland. Or the end of the vlog of today. It was really fun, but super extremely cold today, extra cold. The fact that I was wearing a dress, like a very thin dress, like dia macam kain material yang stretchable tu tau. So it's really thin, not really, but it's thin, not suitable for cold weather like in Cameron Highland. I didn't even bring my sweaters. The only budgetable that I have is my hoodie, this hoodie. And I just wanted to say that the pasar malam tadi was not worth it. I will definitely rate it 3 out of 10. 3 is for dorayaki punya point. Literally. I'll see you guys on tomorrow. I'll be vlogging for the last day. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you will get notified every single time I post out a new video. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.